the 450 MT. We want to thank our media partners for allowing us to use their footage. Makina, C Magazine, Vicer Moto Deal, and Aaron Palabia. Now, before we meet our bikes at makita natin in the flesh, I'm sure excited kayo. Ako mismo na mahilig sa kumot, no? Excited na ako tanggalin ang mga kumot na to. Pero bago yan, bago magtanggalan ng kumot, we have a very special video for all of you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep our eyes on the screen and let's all watch this.
Awaited CF Moto 450 MT. It strikes a perfect balance between on-road and off-road capability. It's like I'm riding a dirt bike with adventure ride comfort. Now you know what? It might be the most important adventure bike right now for the whole industry. As more and more riders take up adventure riding, what adventure riders look for is a bike that has enough power, smoothness, the traction, and it doesn't cost so much that you're going to feel so bad when you're banging it up on the trail.
I don't think it's a bike I outgrow quickly if I do a lot of off-road. This is simply one of the best for the year. Easy to use, price is reasonable. You can have a lot of fun with this one.
When you consider everything for 328,900 pesos, this is a bargain deal.
I would buy this with confidence.
CF Moto nailed it with the 450 MT.
The best thing I can say is that I had so much fun going out there, disrupting it out, slides, and power actions talaga. Instantly felt like a better off-road rider when I was in the 450 MT. No bike in this class offers everything on paper that the 450 MT does. It's not just good for an entry-level bike. It's a great bike, full stop.
CF Moto may very well have been a home run with the 450 MT.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm so excited na kayo. We have two, of course, of our very, very special guest, Papi Zach and Miss Jet, who will help us unveil the 450 MT. Now, before magtatanggalan ng kumot, we just wanted to know, no, na ilabas nyo mga camera nyo. Make sure na meron kayong memory, ha, para mabidyohan nyo to. Tandaan nyo, ha, April 29, Monday, no, i-release na ang first few units. No? So tandaan nyo, may memory dapat kayo, i-videohan nyo pagtanggal ng kumot, at mag-reserve na kayo. Ha? By April 29, dapat nandiyan yung mga units nyo. So ladies and gentlemen, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please welcome, of course, CFO's 450 MT! Tatanggol na ako. Ano makapicture ng virus? We're going to give you guys mga 10 seconds to take as many photos as you want. No, of the 450 MT. Now, if you guys are wondering, no, ano yung difference? Explain ko sa inyo. No? Of course, this is the fully accessorized 450 MT. Of course, the crash bars going on here. No? We have some panniers also going on, so if you guys are really going to go on your long ride, kunyari, no? Oh, the windscreen is also part of it, and some of the few accessories that you can add on to your 450 MT. Bakit mo gusto mo kaganyan, no? Siyempre, kung pumunta kayo Hong Kong, Japan, hindi na lang kasi yung maleta nyo. Diba? So, marami kayong magagala, no? Which is very capable of carrying and taking you in wherever you need to go, both on and off-road. Now, this right here is the stock version of the 450 MT. Now, this is the bare unit, as you can see. So, you guys enjoy, take as many photos, secure na pag-stock. But feel free, of course, to get your units and accessorize as you please, making it your own adventure ride. And of course, the perfect ride is waiting for you. Now, if you have any questions, diba? You want to reserve your units, baka magkaubusan. Ano na ba natitira? Dalawa na lang, kanina natitira, diba? Baka magkaubusan, no? Binili ko pa yung isa, diba? Yung TF ko, abunato pa ako. Okay, our booth is right there. Now, if you guys have any questions, you want to know more on the spec, the displacement, the suspension, the braking system, please feel free to visit the booth right there, and we're going to be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Let's make sure you approach anybody wearing the CF Moto uniform. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Hope you guys enjoyed the launch. I'm going to leave it to it. Take your photos and enjoy the 450 MT of CF Moto.